How to install iOS update to your iPhone. Hello guys, this is Atticus and welcome back to another tutorial video. In today's video, I'll teach you guys how you can install an iOS update on your iPhone. Now this works for any version of your iPhone, no matter which OS it has or which model of iPhone you have. So let's get started. First of all, make sure that you have turned on your Wi-Fi. Connect to your Wi-Fi if you have not connected yet. After you do that, head over to your settings, tap on your settings and open it up. After that, scroll down, go to General. After you're on General, scroll down. There you should find an option that says VPN and Device Management. Tap on it and make sure that you're not connected to any VPN. After you do that, you can head back and scroll up on General, and there you should see Software Update. Tap on it, and after you tap on it, you should get an update here if any is available. Simply tap on Update Now to update your iPhone's iOS. And that's how you install new iOS on your iPhone. Thanks for watching today's video. Stay tuned for more.